Shattered Kingdom. The Ravenglass Throne. Part 1. By John Cronshaw. When the bonds shatter, 3 paths will emerge from shadow. The warrior's blade turns friend to foe, the scholar's truth burns cold as ice, and the diplomat's words become arrows in flight. But beware, for strength divided falls, while weakness united may yet stand. From Prophecies of the Endless Yellow, by Oracle Suvak. 1. Ermin. Ermin adjusted her grip on Berthold's reins, the worn leather familiar against her calloused palms. Below, the imperial courtyard teemed with nobles in finery, jewels catching the light amid a sea of emerald and jade. Beneath her, Berthold shifted, his muscles bunching as his scarred wings stretched wide, their black scales edged with red like cooling embers. His eagerness thrummed, a crackle of anticipation that mirrored the quickening beat of her own pulse. "Steady," she said, though the warning was more for herself than her mount. The weight of tradition bore down on her, heavier than her ceremonial armor. 50 years since her father's birth, and now his naming day celebration would showcase the Österreich kingdom's might to all who watched, including those who might wish it harm. A shadow passed overhead, then Sergeant Wolfram's wyvern drew alongside, its bronze scales catching the sun. "Squadrons in position, Commander." Ermin nodded, studying the formation with a critical eye. 5 pairs of riders and mounts hovered in perfect alignment, their shadows painting dark crosses on the courtyard stones. Each rider sat straight-backed, armor gleaming, every